Hello everyone. So yesterday I told you about how to create item types and attach that data to an object. But one of the things that you're going to learn really fast when you're working with data is that when everybody starts putting data in manually, they start putting in different values for every type of data that you may be asking for. To limit people to picking just the values that you want to be able to search for, there's another tool inside of item types that really makes it handy. And so if I came back in here to my materials, there is no real easy way to get to your lists here, but up here is pick lists. And under pick lists, what you can do is create a new pick list. And let's say this is materials. And in my materials list, I have copper and there we go. Now I can do steel. I can do cast iron. I can do brass, etc. And by having this list, it makes it easier for the end user to uh, pick the item that you want them to put into a item type rather than having to manually key it in every time and then you have to worry if they're going to change it. So that created the pick list, but what if I wanted to make it available? So what I'm going to do is look at the material up here and oops, I don't want to attach item. I want to go to my item types in my pipe properties, material, and this is text. It's an array, false, visibility, false, blah, blah, blah. But pick list, I can come down here and say I want to use materials as my pick list. And if I really wanted to, I could put in here maybe copper is my default value, and then they can change that. So if I save this now, when I look at my available items for my properties, this is now a pick list. So instead of steel, maybe these are cast iron pipe. So this way I get consistent values from my users rather than having them have to key it in every time. So that's a quick way to make it easier for your users to always supply the right values.